I would say that the industries that are best suited for our type of technology are telecom, construction in the field. We've got a couple of customers that use our product to build towers, like cell towers in the field, or maintain tower operations in the field. And so their technicians are at very remote locations. They require the ability to work while they're not connected. So when you think about mobile technologies, especially in a consumer environment, you're always thinking that you're connected, right? You can't use your application if you're not connected. If you're using your Facebook, you have to be connected. If you're using a variety of different applications that you download, you have to be connected to that back-end system for anything to happen. So one of the cool things about our technology, and why most of our customers really are attracted to our product, is the fact that we allow our technicians to run while they're offline. So they don't have to be connected, and they can run. And we have all kinds of smarts around making that happen, and pulling information onto the mobile device so that they can operate effectively while they're offline. And then we seamlessly transition all that information in the background while making sure that everything, everything gets synchronized properly and nothing gets messed up either on the device or at the back end.
Oh, I love that. So would you say that's kind of like the #1 differentiator about your product compared to others in your
I would say there's two, and I would say that's one, the fact that we can operate very effectively offline, and so that's one. I think the other piece of it is the configurability of the user interface. So a lot of times you think about applications for folks in the field, and they might be what we call static, or it's an application you have to, as a company, you buy the application, the mobile applications, and you kind of have to refine your own processes to fit the technology. Well, we kind of flip that around. And we say, our user interface is configurable to your own processes. So what we do when we implement our product for a customer is we first go in and we analyze their existing processes. What works for you? What's kind of your competitive advantage? How do your folks operate in the field? And how can we make their jobs easier and better? And then we build out the user interface and the user experience on the mobile device to collect information and what the forms look like and everything to suit their process and their needs. And we can do that really easily. It doesn't require a huge amount of programming effort. It's very quick. We built a tool that allows us to quickly manipulate the user experience without having to change the code base.
Oh my gosh, that's so interesting. So I've got in my head right now, I'm thinking about all of these examples. For example, people in third world countries that don't have access to being online all the time, archaeologists in remote locations, shippers, people on ships going far away. So I can think of all of these. So any companies out there that have this kind of a model and are kind of frustrated about how you have these people remote that aren't always connected and they need to do things to connect to the mainframe, you should call Mobile Reach. Do you have a website or something that people could?
Of course we have a website. A very nice website, I must say. It's www.mobilereach.com.
Oh, well.
There you go.
That's the one you would expect, right?
Yes, that's hopefully.
And is Mobile Reach spelled like you would expect it?
Like I would expect it, yes. People sometimes drop the E for some reason, but it's mobile, MOBILEREACH.
Excellent.
Mobile Reach.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today. I think this is fascinating what you're doing, and it's extremely impressive.
Thank you. It's fun.